Apple just bought a UI design tool called Play. And this could mean a big move into the UI design and prototyping space, which tools like Claude Design and Figma already have a good chunk of. Now, for those who don't know, Play is a UI design and prototyping tool with focus on Apple native products, components which are HIG compliant. Where it shines are two areas. One, it is able to create realistic prototypes, real Apple maps inside an application, or access to the iPhone camera and flashlight. Not only can it create realistic design prototypes, but also export this directly into Xcode. Xcode is the Apple equivalent of Android Studio, which is their IDE where developers code iOS and Apple applications. Apart from that, it also had an iOS and iPad app. That means instead of just having a Mac app, you also had an iOS app, which had all the UI design functionality and at the same time allowed you to prototype right on the iPhone or right on the iPad. It never became as popular as Figma because of its niche market. Apple recently just acquired not only the application, but the entire company and team. The Play developers and designers will now be going over to Apple. However, Apple has not given any significant details on what exactly is it going to do with Play. The speculation that developers and insiders are making is that now Apple is going to invest in a UI design tool linked to Xcode. Right now, you can just vibe code with their AI capabilities. However, there is no UI design or design canvas. But with this integration of Play into Xcode, developers will have direct access to what designers are doing. Since a lot of Xcode developers, Apple developers, etc. are already using Figma, this might replace the need for Figma for them. This seems like a very interesting time to be a designer. Almost every company, including Apple, is now investing in design spaces, into UI design and prototyping spaces. What do you think? Is Apple eyeing the UI and UX design space, bringing a dedicated UI design tool? Are they going to merge some of its capabilities into Xcode and bring a open canvas like design tool like Figma into the developer tools like Xcode? Are they going to integrate this into Apple Creator Studio, which already has photo editing and video editing tools? Let me know in the comments below. And like always, make sure you subscribe for more such design news every single week. And hit the like button if you like content like this. Until next time, take care. God bless.